When passing through the female portal into the three-dimensional world, the consciousness coupled to the biological avatar is a blank memory, ready to be configured with the necessary programming for the experience on the planet. It collects and stores information like an artificial intelligence that learns through the decoding and interpretation of stimuli received from the space surrounding its point of observation. An observer that possesses self-awareness and autonomy to move and interact with other points of observation and three-dimensional objects. In the early stages of childhood, the programming of the character's identity configures the interface for the user, which is consciousness. This configuration is carried out through a programming language made of symbols and archetypes that communicate directly with the subconscious. This is because consciousness, when in a blank memory state, does not understand concepts of specific languages created by the characters, such as in babies and children who exhibit a theta brainwave similar to a suggestive hypnotic state. The programs installed in the operating system define the potential of the consciousness's experience. The stage of identity programming is the most appropriate moment to present this observer with how the reality they inhabit works. What is the three-dimensional fabric made of? How does this biological body function? How do the solar system, the planets, and natural ecosystems operate? This stands in contrast to what we do with babies, infantilizing them with weak content that does not contribute to the maximum development of consciousness. It is interesting to present colors, symbols, and visual and auditory stimuli, but with awareness of the effects that such information will imprint on the child's subconscious. By installing complex information about how reality functions into a blank operating system, the possibility for this consciousness to develop to its maximum potential become much greater. The correct programming of the mind interface of a biological avatar enables the activation of the original geometric DNA blueprint, with all its sensory and extrasensory abilities activated, since the human android is far more powerful and complex than we imagine.